Hello everyone and welcome to day 8. I'm feeling good with what I got done today, but I deviated from the FlyLady system for the day. And what I will say is we are on day 8 and I have not really cleaned my house. I've only done a few 2-minute sections on hot spots, but no real cleaning aside from my sink. I realize these are baby steps. But as a busy working mom, I guess I just need to see something happen faster. And I know this was, again, this program, I've kind of beat it to death, but I got frustrated the first time I did this. And that frustration led to me not even attempting it. So I thought if I did the baby steps, I would really get motivated. Now I'm on day 8, and one thing I can say is I am still doing it, which is really nice. So that's great. What I wish that this system incorporated more was actually getting stuff done. Because I've been following the system, and now I'm gonna pre-emphasize this with everyone's comments that loved this system have said you get to make it your own. You make your own system, which is why I was like, okay, I need to give this another try. But I'm following the system as it is written out. And by doing that, I have neglected other areas of my home, like the fact that my bathrooms haven't been cleaned. Baby step day 8, today. Now we're adding all these things together. I have done my hot spot, and I actually did, so you're supposed to now be doing a hot spot in the morning and a hot spot at night. So I actually combined my hot spots all at the same time in my entryway, just clearing out some stuff. We have multiple backpacks that, you know, carry diapers and extra clothes now that we're in that full swing of, we're potty trained in that beginning stages of still learning when to go, especially in public. So we pack extra clothes for accidents. So we had multiple backpacks out. We just had a lot of stuff in the entryway. So I worked in there for about 5 minutes. So I had doubled it up in there just till it was done. I just needed it to be done. Kind of one of those things. 2 minutes just isn't always enough, but I see why it is 2 minutes in the FlyLady system, because at least you're getting something done. You can see some results in 2 minutes. 5 minutes wasn't a big stretch for me, so I just finished what I was working on. But over the last week, you've been establishing some basic routines. As we establish habits, it will become easy to add more habits into the practice. So today I'm gonna do a 3-ring binder with loose leaf paper, and I'm actually going to go and start writing out my morning routine, my bedtime routine in pencil. Because it's a working document, you want to be able to erase things. I can see that's all fine and well. There's a couple tips from her, and then one thing that I read it earlier today, and I was like, okay, FlyLady, you got me. I like this. She's got some great one-liners, you guys. And this one I like is, you can't organize clutter. You have to get rid of it. And I loved it. That is like going to be my new mantra for the rest of summer. I'm getting ready to have a garage sale to get rid of a lot of clutter. If you've watched my garage clean out video, you know my garage is nowhere near being cleaned out because of my previous life in an MLM, that it took over my garage, and it is probably going to have hold of my garage and my life for the next few years, I would assume, with how much is in there. But I am working on getting rid of the clutter in my house and doing a garage sale and then donating. So that is kind of my first step. So I love this, that you cannot organize clutter. You have to get rid of it. You can't, I'm gonna repeat it. Everybody say it with me. You cannot organize clutter. You have to get rid of it. FlyLady, you just won my heart tonight with that statement. I may not have a clean house yet, but I love where we're headed. So we're gonna keep going. I'm going to find that 3-ring binder, and I actually have one that I that I keep a budget in, and I also was going to put some recipes in it. So maybe I will just combine all 3 of these things together so that I don't have binders all over my house. So we're gonna start there. I'm gonna go get that binder ready. And as many of you mentioned, it is a system that you make your own. So am I being completely naive or stubborn maybe by not doing things like cleaning the toilets and doing laundry because it wasn't in the system. I don't know. I really want to see if the system works as she is explaining it. So that's why I haven't. But if I don't have to clean the bathrooms soon, I'm going to lose my mind, or I'm just going to have to clean the bathrooms. But then that kind of takes, in my opinion, it takes away from, does the FlyLady system work? Do the baby steps work to get your house pulled together? So I'm at a catch-22. We will see what days 9 and 10 bring. But as for now, I hope you guys have a wonderful night. Go shine your sink. Take off your darn inside shoes. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and we will see you for day 9 tomorrow. Bye.